morning, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss the last part of blood relations. So we already discussed some of the basic questions and some medium level questions. Now we'll see some of better questions and previous computer exam questions also. Okay, first we'll complete this sum of questions from this in this document. Then we'll go for the remaining questions. Okay. So we already discussed some of the problems right from this. So, okay. Let us start from here, and we'll complete this puzzle type of questions. Then I'll give you to some of previous examination questions. Okay. Now, say first one. Can you hear me right, guys? If you have any problem, just immediately just inform me. Okay, because I connected with the mobile net. Yeah. Now, the first question is here. A man said to woman. A man said to woman, "Your only brother's sister is my mother." Your only brother's sister. See. What is saying? Man is here and female is here, woman is here. He's saying to this girl, this woman, your only brother, that means male, brother's sister. Sister. They're also sister and maybe some other also. Only brother they said, not only sister, right? So only brother. Maybe two sisters will be there for that male person. So this is a brother here, and sister is, again, one more sister is my mother. He's saying he's my mother. That means how the woman related to the man's maternal grandmother. They're asking not relation of this woman actually. This is woman, okay? So this man saying to this woman, your only brother's sister is my mother. Is my mother. That means the sister is nothing but this boy, okay? And how the woman related to man's maternal grandmother. Maternal grandmother means, right? So they mentioned clearly, see, maternal grandmother, mother's mother, maternal grandmother. Now, what's the answer for this? So, if the only brother and sisters, so these two girls, women's also sisters, right? So, this woman mother also, right? So, what they're asking, how the woman related to man's maternal grandmother, and that may be the same woman is, it may be a mother or it may be an aunt also, mother's sister also. So whatever it may be, so both are the siblings. These both are siblings, and their mother, it should be one, right? So the woman related to man's maternal mother is daughter. So here they're asking woman related to man's grandmother, okay, maternal grandmother. If they ask in reverse, that means it will be answer is mother. Okay. Now we have to find the answer from woman side. So woman side is a woman is a daughter, and that maternal grandmother is mother. And if they ask how woman related to this person, daughter, how this person related to woman, mother, so both are different. We need to understand that the point. So where they're asking, which side they're asking the relation. Okay, guys, give the answers more. So these questions also, if you explain, so what's the use? Just give the answers fastly. A man said to woman. Again, a man, woman. plus minus. Okay, woman, your only brother's son is my wife's brother. So this woman is a, okay, woman is a, and woman's brother is a, and your only brother's son is my wife's brother-in-law. Sorry, is my wife's brother. So wife, whose wife? This man's wife. Okay, this man's wife is a brother. Is it clear now? The woman is a woman's brother, son. Son is this man's wife's brother. Okay, brother, right? Now, how is woman related to man's wife? How is woman related to man's wife? So here these two are siblings, and this brother is nothing but his father, her father's mother, sorry, her father's sister. Her father's sister is nothing but, you can explain actually, aunt, paternal aunt actually. Okay, how the woman related to man's wife, paternal aunt. Otherwise, you can take as aunt. Okay, right? Okay, shall next one. So pointing the men, the photograph, in the photograph, Rita said, he is the brother of my uncle's daughter. So he is a brother of my uncle's daughter. How the man in the photograph is related to Rita? See, very simple. No need to try anything. Rita said, what said? He is that man who in the photograph is brother of my uncle's daughter. Brother of uncle's daughter. Uncle's daughter, what the relation? Cousin. So cousin's brother also is cousin only, right? So uncle's daughter brother also is cousin. Now, how man is related to Rita? Cousin. Directly there. You can give the answer. Cousin. Okay. Now, introducing a girl in a photograph, Sunil said, her mother is the only daughter of my mother-in-law. Her mother is the only daughter of my mother-in-law. How is Sunil related to the girl in a photograph? Say, same type of question we already discussed yesterday. Sunil, yes, father. See, only her mother-in-law. Her mother is daughter of my mother-in-law. If I say my mother-in-law's only daughter means it's my wife. Okay, my wife's daughter is nothing but my daughter. So how I related with that girl? Father. Okay, clear? Now this next type of questions is nothing but puzzle type of questions. Now try to solve this and give the answers. I'll give 2 minutes of time. I'll read the question, just you solve this one. Okay. A family consists of 6 members: P, Q, R, S, T, and U. So how many members? 6 members. There are 2 married couples. Okay. 2 married couples means totally 2 men and 2 women. Okay. Q is doctor and the father of T. Q is the father and his profession is doctor. And U is a grandfather of R. U is a grandfather of R. And is it contractor? Okay. And S is grandmother of T. S is grandmother of T and is a housewife. There is 1 doctor, 1 contractor, 1 nurse, and 1 housewife, and 2 students in the family. That's it, clearly. Okay, not that much difficult question. It's easy question. You can solve easily. Now, say. Draw the diagram, draw the picture, family picture here. try to draw the family picture, what they are saying first of all. And one thing I mentioned one more time, so don't judge the gender by name. Okay. Now, doing or not? First of all, what they're saying. 6 members is there. 6 members is there. Okay. And in the 2 married couples, that means husband and wife will be there. 2 married couples, right? And then 2 students, they said. The last, okay. Now, just see. First they're saying Q is a doctor and the father of T. So Q, we know that gender, it is father, that means he's a man. Okay. And is a father of T. So gender gap always mentioned like this, T. Okay. Now, U is a grandfather of R and contractor. So another take. We don't know the relation between Q, T, and R. Leave it. So R is, okay, U is grandfather of 3 generations. Right. U and someone else. Sorry, we don't know the gender, right? Someone else. And then we don't know the gender of T and R also. It may be male or female. Male or female. We don't know. Right. Now, S is a grandmother of T. S is a grandmother of T. We know that. Yes, is a grandmother of T. And they didn't say about, I think, P, right? So P. So P is just keep aside. And read the question. Here there is 2 married couples, right? So here T's grandmother is there and R's grandfather is there. So in a family, 2 married couple will be there. So these 2 can be a married couple, right? And another married couple will be there. So we cannot judge these 2. And so another married couple may be a P, right? And if he's a male, that means P will be female, right? And he's a doctor, and he's a contractor, and he's a housewife. And what's another profession they given? One is nurse. So P is nurse. And T and R are students. T and R are students, right? Now, first question. Who is the husband of P? It's a Q. Okay. Who is the sister? Who is the sister of T? Who is the sister of T? Who's the sister of T? For second question. R. How you are saying R? So I said this is what important. So how we are identify the gender? How you are confirming the gender of R? You cannot confirm the gender of R. So that may be a girl, that may be a boy. They didn't mention anything. Okay. So we cannot find the gender, that is male or female. So we cannot consider. Information insufficient is the answer. So we cannot say R is a girl and T is a boy, or T is a girl, R is a boy, and both are brothers and both are sisters. Right? Now, what's another question? What is the profession of P? What's the profession of P? It's a nurse. Yes. Okay. Is there any question? Yeah. Which of the following 2 married couples? Which of the following 2 married couples? US QT. No. US QP. S. TS RU and TS TR. Okay. Answer is nothing but this one. Okay. Which is the following? Identify the group of male members. How many males is there? How many male members is there? We cannot identify. T is a male. T is a male. Okay. Answer is only U and Q. So U is a Q's father. Q is a T's father, but we don't know about the T. Okay. A is the answer. Clear? Now, in the same way, next question of this, just read it. Read the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. A family consists of 6 members: Q, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. Q is the son of R, but R is not mother of Q. P and R are married couples. Y is brother of R. X is the daughter of P. Z is brother of P. So they clearly said. So 6 members is in a family. 6 members is there. And only one married couple. We find this, okay, up to this, okay, right? So try to solve first. I'll give 1 minute for you. Just draw the diagram. Anyone in my screen? You can draw, right? You can draw the diagram, right? Anyone? You just draw the picture on the screen, right? Who's that? Who's that? Likita. The last given in the chat box only Likita. Likita, draw the picture. 451 also is there. 2 members is in my chat box. So either Likita or 451. Anyone, just draw the diagram of that question. On the screen, please. I said drama. Okay, you people are not doing anything. Okay, however, I have to solve, right? Okay, come to the first part. What's that saying? So total 6 members is there. Q is a son of R, they said. Okay, first thing. No, ma, I'm asking to draw on a screen here. You can draw, I think so, right? Okay, see. R son of, sorry, Q is son of R. Q is son of R. That means here we know that Q is a male. Q is a male. Q is son of R. R is not mother of Q. That means not mother of Q means this should be father, right? So even we know that R also male, and P and R are married couple. So P here male, female. Okay. Yeah. See, who R is P is married couple of R, right? Next, what they're saying, another one. P are married couple. Y is a brother of R. Y is a brother of R. How we are going to denote Y? Next. X is a daughter of P. X is a daughter of P. Z is a brother of P. Z is a brother of P. No, here's a male, male, female, and female, male. Okay, right? Now, first question: who is the brother-in-law of R? Who is the brother-in-law of R? So wife's brother is brother-in-law, right? So R is here. R's wife and wife's brother is brother-in-law. Z is a R's brother-in-law. Okay. Who is the father of Q? Who is the father of Q? R only, right? R. And how many children does P have? How many children does P have? 2. Yeah, see, how many female members are in the family? How many female members are in the family? Only P and X. Okay, two. And how is Q related to X? Where is the Q here? Here. Q related to X, brother, right? The brother. Okay, that is the last question in this document. So now we'll move for another questions. Question is for you. A man and woman a man and a woman is sitting in front of a table. And mother-in-law of the man and mother-in-law of the woman is mother-in-law of woman is a mother and daughter, respected. Mother-in-law of the man has only child. How is the man related to the woman? Very interesting question. So if you are solving this, then I can happily end this chapter actually. So that means people will definitely understand this question. That means, okay, important question. Okay. So question is simple. There is no much relations in between here. There is no much relations, but try to solve this one in a simple manner. Do it now. Now, here's the question. A man and woman is sitting in front of the table. Assume that your the entire the picture you need to assume in your mind first of all. So who's there? Two persons is sitting in front of table. So one is woman, and another one is man is sitting in front of the table. Okay, now mother-in-law of the man and mother-in-law of the woman is mother and daughter respectively. Okay, mother-in-law of the man has only child. How the man related to the woman? So someone given the answer. Super, nice. Okay, we'll check. I'll check here. So first of all, see what's that? There here mother-in-law. I'll check. No worries. I'll check. Husband. Okay, husband and saying someone, brother is saying, okay, let's take. See, first of all. So, how the mother-in-law related, first of all. Mother-in-law means how the mother-in-law will relate it, first of all. Wife's mother, right? Wife's mother is mother-in-law, right? Mother-in-law. So, his mother-in-law. His mother-in-law is, and this woman, mother-in-law. How woman, mother-in-law related? Husband's mother. Husband's mother. Right? Husband's mother. So husband and mother. What they're saying actually, father-in-law. So what they're saying actually, nice. Actually, nice answers. Doing who's given is super nice. So you were trying at least. Who's that given the last answer here? Likita, right? Okay, super. Likita. Okay, now what they're saying, this mother-in-law and this mother-in-law. Okay, this mother-in-law and this mother-in-law. See, mother-in-law of the mother, sorry, yeah. Man's mother-in-law, of the woman's mother-in-law, man's mother-in-law, and woman's. Okay, I think I missed the question here, right? Somewhat question. Mother-in-law of woman is mother and daughter. Okay. So this is a mother and here is a daughter, right? Is it clear? So, and what they think, mother-in-law of the man has only child, okay? They're not only son, only daughter, not they're saying only child. That means only one, only this daughter, okay? Only this daughter, right? So only child, it means, so this man's mother-in-law, how the mother-in-law will be related? Man's wife's mother, right? So this mother-in-law's daughter, this, right? So it's nothing but now this woman is husband, wife of this man. Clear? Only child. So this person's only child is nothing but this. So who says mother-in-law of this woman? Mother-in-law of this woman. Okay. And if he's a mother-in-law, she's a mother-in-law, and she will be father-in-law. Okay, then Likita given the correct answer actually. Super. So just think, the man is there, man's mother-in-law has only child. That means it's nothing but who's the child? Man's wife. So mothers, na ma attamaki, I mean పెళ్ళైన వాళ్ళ అత్తమ్మ, ఓకే, అత్తకి ఒకే ఒక్క చైల్డ్ ఉన్నారు. ఒకే ఒక చైల్డ్ మీన్స్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో అదర్ సిబ్లింగ్స్ ఫర్దర్. సో ఒకే ఒక చైల్డ్ ఎవరు? నా వైఫ్, రైట్? సో నా వైఫ్ నా ఎదురుగా కూర్చున్న ఉమెన్ కి ఏమవుతారు? మదర్-ఇన్-లా అవుతారు. నా ఎదురుగా కూర్చున్న ఉమెన్ కి ఏమవుతారు? మదర్-ఇన్-లా అవుతారు. నా వైఫ్ మదర్-ఇన్-లా అయినప్పుడు నేనేమవుతాను? ఫాదర్-ఇన్-లా అవుతాను, రైట్? హస్బెండ్స్ మదర్ వచ్చి మదర్-ఇన్-లా, husband's father వచ్చి father-in-law, right? Is it clear? Simple question, but you have to think in depth, right? So that's why I said important question. Now, see another one. If D is the brother of B, how B is related to C to answer this question? Which of the statement is are necessary. So what they're asking, they're given the question, and they're asking to find the which statements are required to solve that question. Now, I'll give the statements here. First, the son of B is the grandson of C. And another one, B is the sister of D. Now just check. Options will be there. Options is there. Oh, only one, only two, either one or two, both, one and two, and none of this. Now check. Is visible to you? Okay, now check. Only one. See. Suppose think, if D is a brother of B, how B related to C? Okay. To answer this question, which statement are necessary? That means first statement, the son of D is a grandson of C. The son of D is a grandson of D. Okay. Now let's say, listen, the son of D is a grandson of C. We can draw the diagram. Someone given the answer clearly. Okay, now first, D is the brother of B. Okay, D is a brother of B. What they're saying, D is male and brother of B. First thing. Okay, and how related to C? Okay, think about this. Now consider the first statement. The son of D. Someone, okay, take any one. We don't want some X. Okay. Son of D, female, male, is son of D is grandson of C. They said grandson of C. So C is a male or female? All right. And how B related? Based on the first question, how B related to C? We don't know C is male or female, first thing, and we don't know the B also male or female. We don't know this one also, right? So if they ask how B related to C, that means what we can say is a son. So this is a gender, right? So D is the son of C. Okay. Now if they said how B related to C, that means we cannot say son or we cannot say sister, daughter, because we don't know the gender of B. So come to the second one. B is a sister of D. And if we take only two, there is no C here. So we cannot find out the two individually, and one also individually, because we cannot identify the gender of B. Okay, now the both things, just now you just follow. The son of D is a grandfather of C, okay, and B is a sister of D. That means B is a female. Now how B related to C? Daughter, right? So we require both the statements. Either daughter or son. So we cannot take either daughter or son. We cannot say here. They are not asking how related to B, either son or daughter. They are not asking for the son or daughter. For finding out the relation, how many statements were required? These two are required. Both are required. Okay. Clear? No. No. Check. This is the last question for you. A and B are the children of C and D. Okay. And A is boy. A is a boy and has two sisters. Whereas B has three brothers. How many children do C and D have? Interesting question. Now say, how many questions will be there? How many children is in that family? For C and D, how many children are there? Wait. Actually, one more question is there. This is a statement. This is a puzzle, and the question is: read the given question and decide which of the following options is additionally required